Hey Blender enthusiast, welcome back to our course 3D. Today I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on creating beautiful skies in Blender. So let's get started. First start by adding a plane and scaling it to your liking. Import your chosen assets. I've gone with some stylish pillars and centered them for a strong focal point. Feel free to choose assets that resonate your vision. Next, to frame the scene, we'll add a camera. Remember, a well-placed camera angle can truly elevate your visuals. I'm strategically positioning mine to showcase the beauty of a sky. Feel free to experiment with different angles until you find what works best for your scene. Now, let's add water. For that, select a plane, head to the shade editor and add a new material. Integrate a noise texture and a bump node. Connect the FAC of the noise texture to the height of the bump node and the normal output of the bump node to the normal input of the principal BSDF shader. Adjust the scale of a noise texture according to your requirement. Now to light the scene, add a sky texture in the world properties and connect it to the background node and adjust the sky settings according to the evening sky. Now comes a crucial step, adding a sky image. Import the sky image as a plane and position it behind your assets. Ensure that you adjust the horizon to seamlessly blend with both the image and your chosen assets. Then in the shade editor, connect the color of the image to the emission of the principal BSDF. And there you have it, a beautiful sky in Blender. So this is my final render. Do some color grading and appreciate your work. But why stop here? Feel free to go further by adding more assets and experimenting with different sky images to create unique atmospheres. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Blender content and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. You can also follow me on Instagram @ArcoVisual where I post some amazing cinematic visuals. Thank you.